Hey guys, and welcome back to another portion of my haul and unboxing. Haha. Today we are here with the September haul. Let's start off with some shampoo, herbal essences, birch bark extract, gentle cleanse, real botanicals, sulfate free, gentle moisture. Fuck me. So I'm really excited to try this. But like, look at all the words on the front of that. Like, why? Garnier Whole Blends Honey Treasures Shampoo and Conditioner, and it came with a repairing leave-in sample. I feel like I did that like exactly a year ago. That's really funny. Bitches, I have another hand soap. Soft soap. Shea and cocoa butter. I saw cocoa butter and thought of my mom. Tried and true makeup wipe. I have a Mary Kay product. Haha. Yes. This is an oil-free eye makeup remover. Yeah, I guess you're just supposed to shake this shit up and add it to a cotton pad, So I need to make a special shout out to my glam sister, Dani. Like, legit, walk into my fucking office and happy Thursday. Seriously, thank you, Dani, so much. There is a Doomy Lit Highlight Powder. I know I'm gonna freaking use this. Holy shit, like this is so pretty. So I have a sample by The Balm, Alternative Rock Volume 1 Shadow Fard. What? It's a really nice light shimmery purple. Like it would be so nice as a lid shade kind of inner corner highlight. Get out of town. Lottie London Shimmer Squad. Already finished one. Hand one of these samples. Cheyenne gave me one of these samples, which I just hit pan, and now I have a third one. The freaking Pixie Glow Mist. I fucking love this shit. I have a Huda Beauty lip strobe. It's a metallic lip gloss. It's a nice dark purple. I have these Juice Cleanse Harper & Ari exfoliating sugar cubes. I'm so excited for this. And then, reflect back a few months ago, I had the other Tetris palette. I hated that palette. This one, I am going to give this a good shot. This will be in a future first impressions. There's at least 2 mattes in here, so like, that gives me hope. So I filmed my September Ipsy video today. I got so mad at that friggin' eyeshadow palette in there. So if you're interested in that and you haven't seen it, I will list it down below. Anyway, that's all I got for the September haul and unboxing. So until the next one. Hey guys, and welcome back to another portion of my haul and unboxing video. I'm here with the October 2019 haul and unboxing. I'm gonna first off give a shout out to Natasha for sending me this cute little POSH like care package kind of thing. I do have a couple of samples in here. Big Fat Yummy Hand Cream, that's so Cosmo, Spicy Mandarin and Jasmine, and Ain't That the Youth Super Moisturizing Hand Cream. I have a couple hand creams I'm really excited to use. But I just wanted to give a shout out to Natasha for sending me this stuff and like legit writing notes on here for me. Like, and I have like a little handwritten postcard, and like there's another little booklet with like her actual suggestions. I will be listing her information down below in the description box, so that way if you are interested in trying any POSH products, this girl will hit you up and she'll give you an honest to God, like her thoughts, like, hey, check this out. So check the description box for that if you're interested. $5, I got 4 sheet masks. I'm like, what? So I have, like, I got 2 of the same. I got this Caffeine Rush Nourishing Sheet Mask. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to try this. That's so freaking cool. And then the Goodnight PM Mask by Meg. 2 new beauty blenders. I threw one away. I think I need to throw another one away. Sonia Kashuk. Put these up right at Target. They feel nice and they're not even dampened. So, new foundation to try out. The Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation and Concealer. Well, we will see about that. I like the other stuff because the other one, like, it brightens it up a little bit more. And then I have the Physicians Formula Lash Effect, Fake Out, whatever. Anyway, this mascara here. I've been eyeballing it for a while, and I desperately need a mascara. Okay, so the last thing is my Bath & Body Works haul, which honestly, I think the last time I presented Bath & Body Works in a video was probably around Christmas time, and it's October, so like, I'm not gonna feel that bad. But anyway, I have 3 body washes. I have the White Citrus Shower Gel and the Gingham, I guess it's just Gingham. Hello. Yeah. And then Apple Blossom. I did pick up a Ultra Shea body cream, which is also the white citrus, and I did pick up a Twilight Woods body spray. Oh, that one takes me back. So anyway, until the next one.